Okay, so here goes. I wanted to test the Cricut Permanent Glitter Premium Vinyl Shimmer to see if it would stand up to a washing. And I've just put some coffee grounds in here. Here is my Christmas tree, and I put the vinyl on here. And it's been on here since before Christmas. I haven't really used the cup because I did it really for decoration and just to try the vinyl out. And so I'm going to just wash it like I would normally wash a cup. And it was just coffee, so sorry about that. And this is hot water. Turn that down. And I'm going to give it some soap. And just use my scrub brush on here, maybe a little bit more soap. And it's not coming off, so that's good. And just finish this up. And do the inside. And I'm not feeling any kind of slipping or anything. It seems to be on there pretty well. So what I'll do is let it dry and come back in a day or two and try it again, since obviously it might go through one washing or maybe two washings, but let's see how long this will stay on here. Okay, until next time.